Okay, we are making fried chicken sandwiches. I have these 2 little chicken thighs left over from the other day, so I'm just gonna pound them out and then use them. And then we're also gonna make a little coleslaw on the side. So for the chicken, we're gonna brine it in buttermilk and banana pepper juice. Salt the chicken a little bit, pepper. Do a little ground cayenne now too. Little buttermilk in, little juice. And we'll have this sit in the fridge for like a couple hours. Okay, next we'll make some coleslaw and we'll just shred it up. Peel some carrots. Do this a bit. Don't need too much. And now make the dressing. A little mayo, vinegar. Apple cider vinegar would work. Sherry vinegar would work. I'm just using rice wine vinegar. Salt, pepper, a little sugar, celery seeds. And we will have this sit in the fridge until we need it with everything else. All right, see you in a couple hours. It's a couple hours later, so let's party. Got our slaw and chicken. So let's get some oil going. I have a little frying oil left over. Get some flour, salt, pepper. You know what would have been cool? There's like a little gochujang here, and then adding some gochugaru here to make it like a little Korean inspired. I'm gonna do some cayenne, paprika, some onion powder, garlic powder. This should be hot enough. Let's get this going. Take our chicken. We'll do a couple minutes on each side, and then we're gonna put it in the oven. Let's get this off. Pop this in the oven. Okay, going to toast the bread. Nice thick slices. A little butter. Use some Duke's mayo and some hot sauce. A little coleslaw at the bottom. Piece of chicken. And do some pickles on top. All right, let's try this. Oh yeah, well, that's so good. Okay, I'm gonna go. Goodbye.